Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today's topic, read. Dear students, in this lecture we will recognize the fruits names and vegetables name. So first of all, we will read the fruits name. So first one is apples, and here are the spellings of apples. Next one is bananas, and here are the spellings of bananas. Third one is orange, and here are the spellings of orange. Fourth one is pears. Fourth one is pears, and here are the spellings of pears. Fifth one is grapes, and here are the spellings of grapes. And last one is plums, and here are the spellings of plums. Now student, we will read the vegetable names. Look at the vegetables, count them, talk about their colors. First one is onions, and here are the spellings of onions, and the color of onion is purple. Next one is potatoes, and here are the spellings of potatoes, and the color of potatoes is skin. Next one is beans, and here are the spellings of beans, and the color of beans is green. Another one is peas, and here are the spellings of peas, and the color of peas is green. Here is carrots, and here are the spellings of carrots, and the color of carrot is green and red. Next one is cabbage. Here are the spellings of cabbage, and the color of cabbage is parrot. Last one is cucumbers, and here are the spellings of cucumbers, and the color of cucumber is green. Okay dear students, it's our today lesson. I hope you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.